Welcome to Real Times. My name is Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems and Amphenol Company, and this is our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, meet some people, and talk about all things coax. Today we have with us our Director of Global Sales, David Kiesling. Thanks for joining us again, Dave.
Great to see you, Carrie.
I do see you a lot, though.
Yeah, that is true.
But today we're going to talk about some of our new products. And the first one that we're going to tee up is our, or I'm going to say the fabulous TF-047.
The fabulous, or otherwise known as TF-047 cable, yes.
So what is TF-047, Dave?
So it is a new cable that we've just come out with that is the perfect swap C solution.
Swap C, what's that mean?
Yeah, swap C. So size,
oh,
weight, and power consumption.
Oh.
So this cable,
what does that mean?
Exactly,
okay,
is for high density applications where you're very concerned about conserving weight, but you still need cable performance that is second to none like you would expect from Times.
Okay.
So swap C, a great acronym.
I like it.
There's another reason, thing behind the C,
okay,
which you could maybe think is commercial and maybe price or
okay,
whatever. And the beautiful thing about this is that if you know Times, we really worry about cable performance and really pushing the boundaries. And we are providing a cable here that still does that, but is readily available. It avoids, with the materials that we've chosen, some of these supply constraints you have with certain chemicals. And also it uses an all steel braid construction, all of course plated and so forth with copper and silver, but it is readily manufactured. So one of the challenges with the 047 cables is getting 047 cables. And so now we can provide
not from Times,
but a swap C. Again, I love that acronym.
I do too.
And you can get exceptional performance readily available in the lengths that you would need and at a pretty competitive price. So again, this opens up all sorts of doors for us.
Like, what are some of the industries that would use this or utilize this cable?
So certain things would be like for GPS receivers, right? Where you want to jump from an antenna board to the actual receiver board, and you have multiple channels that you want to do, and it's dense, so you need a lot. And a lot of times on GPS receivers, it's on stuff that's moving, so weight can be important. A lot of Vita backplane work has very high density interconnects and so forth. And of course, this would be another nice solution for that. So, you know, I think, again, with the weight, that would be things that move. Density, where you have to fit a lot of them in there and so forth. So you're trying to conserve space, and also high density of a lot. So again, maybe commercial concerns might be more of an issue for you and so forth. So, you know, overall, we see 047 size cable being used more and more, and we're very excited to release this because we think this is a great solution for those.
And as a customer, can they buy just the cable? Do they have to buy assemblies, or how does that work with Times?
So it's a nice thing. So it is an standard 047 solution. So semi-rigid 047 connectors do work with it. So, you know, if you have your SMPs that you want and that you love, you know, you can still use them with this. We will be selling it through the distribution channel in bulk lengths and so forth. And of course, we'd love to do your assemblies as well. But we are very flexible when it comes to this flexible 047.
Okay. So if a customer is interested, reach out to us at timesmicrowave.com, and we'll help you get more information on our TF-047 cable. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and well.